What's an unsolved mystery that's actually super easy to explain, but nobody likes to say it out loud because the real answer is just boring? The USS Cyclops, a US Navy cargo ship that vanished in March 1918 while carrying a load of coal, well, actually manganese ore at the time. People love to call it the biggest ship disappearance in Navy history. Its wreck was never found, so naturally the Bermuda Triangle crowd went wild with theories about aliens and spooky ocean vibes. But if you dig even a little, the real story isn't that mysterious. The ship was designed for coal, but it was loaded with manganese ore, much heavier and denser. The holds weren't full, so the cargo could shift, throwing off balance. It might have been overloaded. Manganese ore can react with steel supports, causing corrosion and weakening the hull. This exact issue was already seen on its sister ship, USS Jason. Another vessel, the Chucky, literally snapped in half in calm weather because of it. Weather reports show the Cyclops may have hit a storm with 30 to 40 knot winds. In that kind of sea, if the bow and stern lift on waves while the middle sags, the ship can literally break apart. And here's the kicker: 3 out of 4 ships of this class, Proteus-class colliers, vanished at sea. The only one that didn't, it was sunk by Japanese planes in WW2. Clearly a design flaw. So when you put it all together, weak design, corroded hull, unstable heavy cargo, plus a storm, the mystery is basically just a shipwreck waiting to happen.